Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you about templates that will be needed to create a CMS system using PHP programming language and MySQL extension with MySQL database. You know that in previous class I discussed basics of CMS system that we will create different page. So these are different templates that will be needed for this CMS system already created: index, login, register, and inside dashboard you can see that these are the assets file, CSS, image, JavaScript file, and these are the different HTML page that will be needed for this CMS system. So just I can open all these three page in a browser: index, login, register page. So it will be open. So for example, this is a uh, index page in which all the post will display here. This is a HTML file. I will convert this HTML document to PHP file: login, register, dashboard, logout, contact us. I will not create these two page, but I will create this page. So register page, and this is a login page. So another in dashboard, when I open this all the pages, you can see that these are all the pages that will be needed for the CMS system that we will create. So you can see that this is a your post record, means all the posts will display here of logged user. When click user profile setting, logout, and user can view, post, edit and delete, and home page, all user and all posting. These two pages are only for the admin. Normal user cannot see these two links. So we will write code for this one. Registration page, another say all posts. This page is belong to admin. Also for admin page, in which all the user will display here, and this is a blog single page. This will be a picture here will display dynamically of publisher, date, and there is a create a post. So user can create post in the backend and display in the front end. So this is a dashboard, and there is a update post page, edit user by the admin. Admin can make a normal user just clicking, and normal user will convert to admin. So this is a user profile page, user profile setting page. So these are different page that will be needed for this CMS system. So these are the HTML document page. I will convert this HTML page to PHP page. So in the next class we will discuss how you can start a CMS system. At first we'll need a creating a database for this system, and then make connection our index.php page to new created database. So meet another class in which we will start our CMS system creating. Thank you.